Hi everyone, Pradeep here from Pradeep Tech. Welcome to another video, and today I'll be showing you some very important and pretty handy accessory for the iPad Air 4 or iPad Air 2020 that will actually enhance the user experience of your iPad. By the way, if you haven't seen my iPad Air 4 or iPad Air 2020 unboxing and full specification detail video, links are there in the description box below, so do check those out after you watch this video. And by the way, all the accessories that I'm going to show you in this video are bought online, and all the links will be provided in the description box as well. So without any further delay, let's begin. First is a cover for your precious iPad Air. Of course, this is a very important accessory, not just to protect your device, but this is very handy to be used as a stand as well. You can put your iPad into different inclined positions and enjoy watching contents as per your will. This is a color matched Apple Smart Folio case and is priced at 7,500 Indian rupees. The cover is perfectly sturdy and soft material provided inside to protect your iPad. This attaches magnetically and will wake up or sleep your iPad accordingly. Of course, there are some cheap options available as well online which you can check out. The next one is the Apple Pencil 2. Whether you are an artist or not, a student or not, this is the most important accessory that you should always have with iPad. Taking screenshots, browsing web, taking notes, using Scribble, gliding through your device with precision, and all other professional activities are going to be much more enhanced with Apple Pencil in hand. Apple Pencil 2 is priced at 10,900 rupees and is available on Apple Online and any other leading online stores. The next is a USB dongle. This is from the brand called Portronics, and this is one of the best low priced USB-C dongle available to buy. It has a USB-A port to connect any flash drive or any other USB-A extension, a HDMI out port to connect any external display, and a USB-C port which also doubles up as a pass-through charging port for your iPad if you need to while working on your iPad. The connection cable is of very good quality and the dongle is pretty well built. This is priced at around 899 to 999 and I bought it from Amazon. The next one is an external drive. This is the best way to get extra storage space for your iPad. No need to pay Apple a fortune to get additional storage. Just buy the base storage variant of iPad Air, that is 64 GB, and buy one of these. This is an 250 GB SSD storage from Sony. It is priced around 4,000 to 4,300 rupees and has a USB-C port. So just connect using an USB-C to C cable or use the dongle and connect via that. You can also use your old USB external hard drive as well. Then we have the Bluetooth keyboard. This is an Apple Magic keyboard and is priced at 8,900 rupees. But don't worry, you can pair any other wireless keyboard via Bluetooth. Just check the compatibility before buying. This iPad Air is much more powerful than most of costly Windows laptops. So if you are looking forward to use your iPad for your daily computing needs, this is going to be a very important piece of hardware for you. Then of course we have the Bluetooth mouse. This is Apple Magic Mouse 2 and is priced at 7,500 rupees, but you can buy other Bluetooth mouse as well, just like the keyboard. As iPadOS now supports mouse support, this Magic Mouse, the keypad and the folio case together will transform your iPad into an usable laptop solutions. No need to spend thousands of rupees in Apple Magic Keyboard, which is priced at 28,000 rupees. Just use the combination of these three accessories. And the last but not the least, the AirPods. This is an AirPods Pro. Normal AirPods 2 is perfect as well, but if you can afford, go for the Pro, guys. The spatial audio feature is mind-blowing. Just use it to believe it. This will transform your cinematic experience into next level. AirPods Pro are priced at 20 to 24,000 rupees depending on various offers, and the normal AirPods are priced at around, I think now 10 to 11,000 rupees. So that's it. That these are the accessories I use every day, and you should try this as well to get the most out of your iPad Air 4. I hope you liked the video, so do comment and like and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Peace.